Thanks for joining me today. It's Russ Curtis, Professor of Counseling. And on this particular channel, we're talking about a lot of open-mindedness stuff. And we're exploring kind of human consciousness from all different realms. And I appreciate all of you brave souls who listen to these. And you're needed to help evolve this world and advance our understanding of mental health and how to thrive. But one of the biggest things is I've talked about this before, is that open-mindedness is related to intelligence, and it's the only personality factor. Now, there could be others. I'll mention this in this particular study, but just really briefly here. First of all, they're using the five-factor model of personality, which is comprised of openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. So they're measuring those five big domains in folks. And then looking at also their intelligence, and I forget exactly which measure they use, but you can see that in the article. Now, to define, openness is intellectual curiosity and non-dogmatic attitude, meaning people are open to learning new things, to changing their minds. It's the only way we advance, is if we're open to changing our minds. And they did find in this study that openness was, of all these personality factors of the five, significantly predicted general intelligence. They were drilling down in this study, looking at other aspects of intelligence, and they also found, this was a small correlation, but it was significant between extroversion and processing speed. There may have been one other factor, but openness was significantly related to general intelligence and most of the other factors involved in intelligence. And so then they asked the question, would inducing open-mindedness prior to a test, let's say you're getting ready to take the SAT or the GRE or LSAT or whatever, would that improve your performance? And they suggested, like, watching a video that would help maybe kind of open your mind to different possibilities and so forth. So that could be a really cool study. But for us practically, it's like, what is it we do or see or think about in the day that can help maybe expand our awareness and openness to being really curious and maybe dropping kind of old thoughts so that we can allow new things in? Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this, and we will talk to you on the next video, good people. Take care.